Welcome to this lecture. I've been talking in previous lectures over the years, 2008, 2010, etc., about the behaviour of crowds of shoppers. Now maybe this was something new to you. Maybe you can't remember seeing videos of these crowds, perhaps on TV or on Facebook or Twitter, etc. So all I'm going to do for this lecture is to show you a video showing some incidences that have happened on Black Friday. There's not going to be any sound to the video. Just imagine the screaming, the wailing, the shouting, the abuse, and the thump as people hit each other. But what I'm going to do whilst you are watching the video, I'm going to read you some of the comments that people made. So here is the video. Comments. It's funny how we spend a whole day giving thanks for everything we have, and later on we fight people for a flat screen TV. Black Friday is one of the most toxic days of the year. If there was a day where everything was free, it would be apocalypse. People acting like little children. I've seen kids act better than these people. Are these Democrats? This has nothing to do with politics. I choose to differ, thanks for reminding me. How does this have anything to do with politics? And we see how it all turned out. It's the police, it's the governments. I know for sure some people snuck out with free stuff while this happened. I think that's the idea. This kind of chaos can really be taken advantage of. A part of a group can organise a fight at one part of the store, getting the guards busy, while the other part could sneak off with the stuff. Exactly. Take advantage of the chaos. Get yourself a new TV. How about when someone falls? We don't just run over the top of them. Let's at least pretend a human life is more important than anything in that store. The elites, they're laughing at them. This video proves human life isn't worth anything, most of it anyway. This is the real America. Pretending is exactly the problem. You fell. That's your problem, not mine, or the 500 people behind me. I fell once, and through pure solid muscle, 8 months of intense CrossFit and powerlifting in anticipation of a stampede bottleneck battle arena, I pulled 3 or 4 others down to where I had been, getting trampled, never looked back. I was a unit. I took everything from anyone. I took TVs, speakers, iPhones, people's money, bunch of stuff I didn't need, just wanted to take it. So that person no longer had it, like a nice slow tooker. I took a child's bike their dad fought for and won. I took steroids 3 months before the battle. I may or may not have used judo on an elderly woman. Things just happened so fast. I don't think I paid for or even used half that crap. But it was a great memory that I hold dear. I refuse to participate in this stuff. I don't mind paying full price for my stuff if it means my peace of mind isn't shattered and I am safe. I get really mad when people do crazy, rude stuff like stealing out of my shopping cart when I turned around. To me, that is just unacceptable. And I would end up in one of those videos. So I just refuse to out myself or to put myself in position to deal with these assholes. Who actually cares about Black Friday anymore? Like, can you wait 3 days for Cyber Monday? It's nice to see people having a holiday spirit. Every human involved in this is a complete failure. I can't think of anything I want so much that I would endure this madness. My heart goes out to the Walmart and Target employees. Now, the video shown is on YouTube. Sure, it's not that current. It's about 2014, 2015, if you look carefully. It's a compilation video. But if you look at the comments, then the comments that I've been reading, a few weeks old, several months, but generally they're 2020. So those are the thoughts of people now.